anything wild this deal?
One-eyed Jeff so well.
Give me 2 cards.
Why don't you go to the Chinaman's and bring back a load of chopped suey?
When I'm losing, you want to eat. Ain't up. Openers, get your ass off the table. Mitch, nothing belongs on poker table but cards, chips, and whiskey.
Kind of on a high horse, aren't you?
How many?
Give me 3.
1.
Okay. I'm out again. I ought to go home pretty soon.
Shut up!
I got a sick mother. She don't go home until I come home.
Then why don't you stay home with her?
She says she gotta go out. I go, but I don't enjoy it. All the while, I keep wondering how she is.
Ah, for sakes of Jesus, go home then.
What do you got?
Spade flush.
You don't.
You're all married, but alone when she goes. I'm going to the bathroom.
Hurry back, we'll fix a sugar tip.
I'll go run.
The little boy's room is busy room.
We've been drinking beer.
I hate beer.
It's a hot weather drink.
Oh, I don't think so. It always makes me warmer. Got any cents?
Sure.
What kind of them?
Lucky's.
Oh, what a pretty case. Silver?
Yes. Read the inscription.
Mitch!
What?
What are you doing?
Deal me out. I'm talking to Miss.
Dubois. Oh, John, animals with you.
Stop! Sits in for Potluck until he has to.
Never mind. I'll be positive next time. You're sneaking now.
Anything wild this deal?
No. We got those questions. Give me 2 cards.
I mean,
Action!
Wow.